Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Here in this video I will teach you how you can use your Doola app. So let's begin the video. Here you can see their homepage on our screen. That's how their homepage basically look. Here for creating an account, simply go and click on create a free account. Here you can sign up with your Google ID. Then here you have to select your country of residence. Here you have to select if you want to start a new business or if you want to run your ongoing business. Now here you have to write your company's name. Then here you have to tell them which state do you desire for C-Crop formation. Now here you have to select any subscription plan. Once all these things are done, you can use your Doola app. Here you have to go and you have to click on books. Once you're gonna click on books, here you're gonna see all your company's important things. Here you're gonna see your profit and loss, cash flow, expenses, income and invoice. Here the best thing is that even you can go and you can apply the filter. Here you can see your last year progress, your this year progress, your monthly progress. Here you can go and you can click on expenses and you can see here the graphs. Similarly here you can also go and you can see these graphs for income as well. And similarly here you can go and you can open your invoices. Here you can see your all detail and aging report. Here you can go and you can select your all outstanding invoices in a given time period. Moreover, here you can also go and you can send reminders, like if you want to send a reminder to any of your team members or employees, you can do that with just one click. Here you can also send any duplicate, add payment, print and cancel reminders. And similarly here you can also go and you can add here invoice or codes. Now here you have to select a couple of informations like your business, then the client and then the email. Here you can also attach the documents and here you can also add any personalized note as well for the receiver. Here you can also select the invoice date and then the frequency as well. If you want it twice or thrice, you can do that, or bi-monthly you can do that here. Now here you are gonna click next and you're gonna see all the preview of your invoice that you have to send. Here you can see all detail and even you can go and you can add here any payment method if you want to, your bank or card method here, and you can go and you can send. And if you open here my company's overview, here you will gonna able to see all your company's income at once. For that here you have to go and you have to link any account. Here you have your bank account, your PayPal. Here you can go and you can link any account here by simply clicking on link here. Here even you can go and you can manually add here income transitions. Similarly here for expenses you can go and you can add expenses here manually. Here you can go and you can add your expenses. You just have to write here all the information. And here you can also go and you can link account as well. And that's basically all about how you can use this app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.